Hey there, dear traveler. Well, good evening to you. So tonight, get off the beat of our busy world and head back more than 2,000 years to the heart of Rome, the ancient capital. As the first glow of dawn peaks above the hills, a gentle, soft beam of sunlight pats up the rooftops, the marbled temples, and the amazing structures of this city. The streets are still pretty quiet, even with a cool, refreshing morning wind blowing gently from the hills brings with it the sweet scent of freshly cutting olive trees, blooming flowers, and the warm, fresh aroma of home-cooked bread from nearby households. You're off on a broad, smooth stone path, a lovely Roman engineer-built road where countless emperors, merchants, soldiers, and regular folks' footsteps have been worn in thousands of years. Charming marble fountain is just beginning to sprinkle water into its clear glass bowl. The gentle sound makes its way around the empty streets, creating a tranquil rhythm that lets you know to slow your breathing. So, nearby, watch as some master bakers have been working hard. Warm slices of freshly baked bread are hanging out from the glowing stone ovens, filling the air with a warm, comforting aroma. Meanwhile, farmers tread peacefully through the city, walking with their donkeys carrying loads of fresh grapes, olives, figs, vegetables, and smelling lovely herbs picked before sunrise. Things just slowly start getting lively. There's hardly a loud noise. It's all about starting off another peaceful day in the ancient heart of Rome. Inhale slowly, stay calm and peaceful, and continue your journey through one of history's most awe-inspiring cities.